You'll now have to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. Well, social media sites are very important in our life nowadays, and there are different sites like Facebook, Instagram, and all these sites available for us. And one thing that I visited on through Facebook, that is because I am fond of volleyball game, and there is available a group of the volleyball players, and I joined them, and mostly I watch the matches. And so topic.
Okay, all right, that's fine. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. In part 2, your answer is not very relevant to the topic.
Okay.
So next time you need to do preparation. Make your answer relevant to the topic. If your answer is irrelevant, that will bring your bench score down.
Okay.
Right? You're talking about a social media website which is popular, so you need to focus on the website more than the sports and other stuff like that. Right?
Okay.
So what type of websites are popular among teenagers in your country?
I think the websites are almost like Facebook, Instagram, and these are the popular in teenagers.
Right. Why do people like these websites?
Well, because people like these websites because the main reason is there is available more information about the current issues, and one thing that is very important, that is the communication with friends.
Okay. Is there any website that you do not like?
Well, there is no some like that.
All right. Thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.